Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Autotrader. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then click on sign up to create your new account. Now within the sign up page, you can use your Google, your Apple or your Facebook account for a shortcut, or you can just enter your first and your last name, as well as your preferred email address and your password for your account. After entering all of these, click on the sign up button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just check within your inbox and you will find your verification code. After entering this code within the box, click on the verify button and now your email will be verified and you will be signed up to your newly created account right away. You can now start to buy and sell various different vehicles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.